Here are the top 10 driving schools in the UK, 2025, rated for their pass rates, instructors, reviews, and learner success. First one is Bill Plan Driving School, where lessons come with a pass guarantee. Fail your first test and get extra lessons for free. You're not just driving any car, you are learning in a premium BMW with one of the UK's top-rated instructors. They have even won National Driving School of the Year 3 times in a row. It's not just driving, it's an experience. But what if you want something even more advanced and innovative? Then there is AA Driving School, trusted for new generations. AA Driving School now trains learners in electric cars. They are preparing new drivers for the EV future because the future is not coming, it's already here. EV lessons are real and growing fast. In 2025, AA continues to innovate with advanced EV or hybrid training programs, including app-based theory modules with hands-on in-car lessons. Well, are you still feeling nervous? Then here comes Red Driving School. With award-winning support, eco-friendly lessons and DVSA-approved instructors, Red Driving School train to work with anxious learners. Their instructors are like driving therapists. They calm even the most panicked learners. You know, they don't just teach you, they build your confidence from the ground up. Or maybe you are a first-time teen driver and you want something smarter. Then Marmalade learners combine driving lessons with telematics tech that tracks your every move, like braking, acceleration, and cornering all. So parents love it and learners also trust it, and guess what? It works. Okay, now do you want something even faster? LIDT means Local Intensive Driver Training helps you do that. You will get back-to-back focused lessons in your area over a few days, right on the roads where you will actually be tested on, so that you can go from zero to test ready in just a few days. It is quick, practical, and perfect if you are short on time or just want to get it done. Some courses even include mock tests and fast-track test bookings, so you are not left waiting. It's all about smart, efficient learning that gets results fast. Now, if you live in a busy city like London or Manchester and want something affordable but trusted, My Driving School is a great choice. With a simple booking process and competitive pricing, it's designed for convenience. Their instructors truly understand how hard it can be to learn in busy traffic. That's why it's a top choice for nervous learners and especially popular among women drivers, because feeling comfortable behind the wheel makes all the difference. Well, do you need your license in just 5 days? So if you are in a hurry or you are short on time, then that's where intensive driving comes in. And you know, they can make it happen, or they will just refund your money. Also, you will be surprised to know that with their crash courses, some learners go from complete beginner to fully licensed driver in just 5 days. So if you want fast results and full focus, then this is the driving school for you. Now here is LDC Driving School, also known as Local Driving School, is leading the automatic driving lessons. It's super flexible, stress-free, and it's also perfect if you're feeling nervous. Plus, you get video support to watch and review your lessons at home. Actually, it's ideal for anyone who wants to learn automatic lessons in an easy way and who wants to revise lessons in between sessions. And just when you feel like you have tried everything, then there comes Drive Johnson's. They have no tricks or no big promises. They have just kind and patient instructors who actually listen. It's a great choice for anyone who has failed before, and this time they want to finally pass the driving test. But if you want real experience, then there is BSM, means British School of Motoring. With over 100 years of teaching people how to drive, they have helped so many nervous learners. And you know the best part? The best part is their instructors never shout. They stay calm no matter how many mistakes you make and help you feel safe and confident behind the wheel. Whether you are a tech lover, a nervous beginner, have a busy schedule, or someone just tired of failing, there is always a perfect match out there waiting for you. You just need to look beyond the first result you see on Google. Don't end up like Lily. Make a smarter choice and pass with confidence. So start your journey, not just to get a license, but to become a driver who is calm, confident, and in control.